Hey guys, I think I already did a video like this last year, but I'm going to do it again just because our clock was off on the irrigation system and it just messed everything up. Most of the programming was right, so I don't know if it doesn't have a backup battery or what, but it remembered the programming, I think, but the clock, it forgot. It was way off, so it was like watering in the middle of the day. So anyway, that's fixed. And this is just to remind everyone, you can go between the different modes. Like this dial lets you set the date and time, which you usually shouldn't have to do. This lets you set the start times, and you can have multiple, but we only need one start time for all our zones. And then when you turn the knob to run times, it just says, that's where you enter the run times for the different zones. And how to set that is right here. And then the water days are just what we're allowed, and unfortunately we're still in the watering restrictions, so we can only do Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So I'll go over it real quick. I already fixed, like I said, the date, both the date and the time were completely off, so that's fixed. The start times, like I said, and like it says here, for the normal case you only need one start time because you're going to start all the zones at the same time. And I put 6 a.m. even though we can start at 5, just because it doesn't correct for daylight savings. And also it is nice if, 6 a.m., if someone's out here, they can kind of see if there are any leaks or anything. If it's too early, they might miss it. So anyway, right, there's only one start time. If I wanted to change it, I would do this plus minus. And if we did have multiple, that's what this little hand is for. Okay, so the run times is what we have multiple of. So we need for the front, which is the north side. Remember, we figured out it's like it goes counterclockwise from the front where I am now is number 1, and then the unit patios is counterclockwise from here, and we don't want that to run, so that's 0. And the back is the back parking lot. That's 30 minutes, and the sidewalk we set for 20 minutes because I think that's a drippy thing or something. So you guys just tell me if you want this to change. But if we go through these, so like if I was going to change the number of minutes for zone 1, I would use this plus minus. But if I want to go to the next zone, I just use this. And zone is this number. The programming is this letter. We do not have multiple programs. So that would be way too complicated for what we need. So anyway, zone 1, which like I said is the front where I am now, that's going to run for 30 minutes. So now I press the hand over here. Zone 2 is going to be 0 because zone 2 is the unit patios and we do not want them to run, and I actually disconnected the wire for them anyway. Okay, so I'm going to press the hand again. Zone 3 is also 30 minutes and zone 3 is the back. Okay, so now I'm going to press the hand again. Zone 4, which is the sidewalk and drive. Oh, I think I might have said that wrong earlier. The back is 30 minutes because it's drip slowly. Zone 4 is off on the other side of the driveway over there, and it's also in front. Okay, so anyway, that one is 20 minutes. And then our watering days, like I said, so the ones with the circle and the slash are the ones that are blocked as not being allowed. And the ones that don't have the circle with the slash are allowed. And so per the city of St. Pete, since we're still in dry conditions, it's Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday is allowed. So that's right. And I'm just gonna put it back on run and should be good to go.